Hello everyone, and welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet. Today, I'd like to show you how I fluff the rice when I make it in this pressurized little pot here. What I do first, make sure that the pressure is all the way out. You don't want this thing spitting vapor on you. So give it a few minutes after it finishes for it to really absorb into the rice and to not have a lot of pressure that spits out, and also probably going to get your counter dirty. What you do then is you twist it. Once this little red piece is down here, then you twist it, you open it, and what I like to do, you maybe get a hold of a towel if you like to hold it in place, but I hold it, and then I get the side of the spatula down underneath the side and around. Make sure it's nice and loose from the sides before I really start to mix it up. Now I like to use a silicone spatula with a curve on it, because that curve helps to get into the side and not really cut or break the grain of the rice. And I like to have it to be a relatively flat spatula. You don't want to get the kind that are too bulky with their thickness. And so you go there, you start to take it, and you break into it. But you don't break and cut, you just break and push. And the break and push seems to make it so that the grains don't really get messed up while you're doing it. And you do it little by little, and you work it around. And you work it around some more, and you push. Now you make sure you don't cut directly or slice directly into the rice, because that seems to break the grain, and that's no fun. And at some point, you're going to need to scoop underneath a little bit, because the flat bottom part has to be attended to as well. And that's where you can start pushing a little more. And you can see vapor will be coming out as you go. And you just push and smooth. And you bring it up and over at one point, once you get it worked around, and you start to feel the air incorporated into it. And you'll also start to take a little extra space and volume inside of the container as well. Because, well, when you get the air and the space incorporated, it requires more surface area and volume, doesn't it? And so there we go. Mostly mixed up. You want to keep it inside of the pot if you can. Give that a little shake some more. And so after that, I'll put the pot lid back on for another minute or two, and then it'll be ready to serve. Do it yourself gourmet. Thanks for watching, and enjoy. We'll see you next time.